Long ago, the armies of Israel and the Philistines stood on opposite hills, ready for battle. Every day, a giant warrior named Goliath stepped forward. He challenged the Israelites to send someone to fight him. His enormous size and powerful voice filled everyone with fear. No one dared to face him. Meanwhile, a young shepherd named David was caring for his father's sheep. One day, his father sent him to deliver food to his older brothers who were serving in the army. When David arrived, he heard Goliath mocking God's people. David asked, "Why is everyone afraid of this giant?" He remembered how God had protected him from lions and bears while he watched over his sheep. David believed that the same God would protect him now. King Saul offered David his armor, but it was too heavy. Instead, David took his shepherd's staff, his sling, and 5 smooth stones from a nearby stream. As David walked toward Goliath, the giant laughed at him, but David declared with confidence,
This day the Lord
"You
will deliver you
come
into my hand."
against me with sword and spear, but I come against you in the name of the Lord Almighty." David placed a stone into his sling, spun it with all his strength, and released it. The stone flew through the air and struck Goliath on the forehead. The giant fell to the ground. The Philistine army fled, and the people of Israel celebrated a great victory. David's courage did not come from his own strength. It came from his complete trust in God. This story reminds us that no challenge is too great when we place our faith in the Lord. No matter what giants you face in life, remember that God is always with those who trust Him. Thank you for listening, and may God fill your heart with courage, faith, and peace.